Hi, I'm Nidhi Gill. Welcome to Sweet Magnolia. Change for us is a part of life, rather a way of life. We change homes every 2 years, we change cities every 2 years. Well, it's very exciting, but it's very tiring as well. After so much of change that we, go through and we do, some of us still have that little worm inside us which starts itching after some time and wants a change again. For somebody like me, I get very bored with the same kind of decor, with monotony basically. So every now and then, 2-3 months, I like to move the furniture, change the curtains. I mean, not buy new curtains, of course. Add a little twist, move stuff from here to there, change the paintings from one wall to the other, change the art pieces, and give the whole area a new vibe altogether. And that's how I always have my distemper ka dibba and my roll-on brush handy, and my tools and my putty, because I cannot afford to call in those guys कि भैया आ जाओ पेंट कर दो, भैया आ जाओ पुट्टी कर दो. You can't do that. So might as well, develop the skill yourself. So I have done that, and today I shall take off all the nails, do the putty, make the wall neat again, and give it a whole new vibe. The stuff that I'm going to use is some of the pieces, like the furniture, the chairs. I've had them for some time, and some of the art pieces also I've had them for some time, and some I have recently made just to do up this decor. And those same pieces you will find on my website. I'm going to be sharing the link below. If you like those pieces, you can go ahead with them. If you want a change, that is also possible, because we do customization. And I would love to create something which has your vision. So let's start. So to start with, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pull out these nails which are there. I've majorly removed most of them, but then I still see 1 or 2 odd nails here and there. And then I am going to level the wall using putty. Once the putty dries, I'm not going to paint the entire wall. I'll just do a little touch up here and there, because anyways it's going to be covered with those art pieces that I have in mind that I want to put up. Yeah. So to start with, I am going to get ready in my work apron. Now, this apron is very important for me. And every time I don't wear it, I end up, messing up my clothes so bad. My dad, every time, well, I'm an artist and I loved being called an artist, and I still love being called an artist. My dad would always say, कि तुझे तो काम कर दिए हैं, तू आर्टिस्ट घट लगती है, ते पेंटर ज़्यादा लगती है. So then I decided कि बंदा पेंटर आपे बन जाए, ठीक है. So I'm going to be painting, ते मैं मिस्त्री भी आप ही हैं, ते मैं पेंटर भी आप ही हैं. So the putty is done. It is almost dry, not completely dry, but yeah, so that will happen subsequently, not a problem. And I have used distemper, and I'm just going to use a dabber to do it, not the brush, because a brush में एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा paint आता है. We just want to do a touch up, so we are just going to dab. So it's like you apply makeup foundation, dab, dab, dab. It's just the same technique, dab, 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 and don't pull. The color is not looking identical as of now, but I'm hoping that it will be identical once it dries. But even if it does not, it really won't matter, because it's just going to be one shade here and there. So I think we can adjust with that. I'll cover it with my art pieces. I'm going to place the art pieces in a way that they're covered and there are no patches seen. So while the paint is still drying and the putty is still drying, we can start placing the other things. So there is this one big mirror. If you notice, it has dual ways where you can hang it. These are these hooks that are given here, and then I got these attachments. So it can be placed either ways. In one of my videos, if you go to Instagram and check, one of my videos, the same mirror has been placed vertically, and here today I'm going to place it horizontally. Yeah, so थोड़ा झाड़ वाड़ लें. चलो बच्चों उठो. Oops. So accidents do happen, and get up. And my babies are sleeping, so I shall. Okay, I'm going to need some help to hang this mirror, and or maybe not. I am a strong person. Let me try. Or maybe I should not try. Now, right under this mirror, I'm going to place a sideboard. That sideboard once in one of my previous houses was a bar cabinet, and this time it's going to be a sideboard in which I'm going to store my cutlery and napkins and basic stuff which is used in the dining area. So yeah, so now it's again time for some labor, and I'm going to push it. We do a little sweeping, no mopping. Okay, so we're good to go, and here it goes. Yeah, so now the plan is that I'm going to put my art pieces first, then 2 chairs on either side, and chairs will come later on, but first I'm going to hang the plates, and I'll see if there is any hole or any color which is seen, which I'm not able to cover with my wall plates that I'm going to put. Then we shall sort out that problem later. But as of now, I'm going to start putting my art pieces. So this entire wall, all the art pieces that I'm going to use here are basically inspired by a very European style, and which had originally originated from Netherlands, and is primarily white and blue, and they are done in very fine porcelain, Chinese porcelain, but are very expensive. They're very, very, very high end. So when you go to the market to buy the original ones, they are very expensive, and I could not afford them. And anyways, they're not even available everywhere. So I decided, and I love them so much, so I decided to create my own. So these are, the base here is terracotta, and this is our own manufacturing. Like I said, they are available on our website, and the link has been provided in the description. And in case there is anything specific that you want to get made, I would love to do that for you as well. So yes, we do customization as well. And yeah, so I think I've updated you enough about the information about the place. So these are not originally from Netherlands or from Europe. They have been made by me. I've painted them on terracotta. And don't worry, this terracotta base is good. Indian सामान भी बढ़िया होता है. सिर्फ Chinese porcelain या European porcelain अच्छा नहीं होता. Indian terracotta भी अच्छा है. So now I will start placing them. So when you place your wall plates, it is always nice to have drafts, newspaper drafts cut out of the wall plates. Place them on the floor. Once you like the setting, put numbering, mark the plates. Mark this plate, I mean the one that you're going to place, and the draft. Give them numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and take a picture. That comes in very handy when you have to place wall plates. Where the number is more than 2. 2, 3 you can manage without any marking. But when the number is more, there are different sizes, that's what you do. I am not going to do that because I've been placing these wall plates for quite some time, and I only think that I have mastered the art. Well, I have not. I do make mistakes, but then I've mastered the art of doing the putty now. So, जब गड़बड़ हो जाएगी तो हम पुट्टी लगा देंगे. So I'm going to start doing this. I've just changed the position of where the nail was earlier because you've seen how strong the walls are, and तो एक बार अगर nail लग गई है तो दूसरी बार वहाँ nail लगाएंगे तो it's not a very good idea and the plate might fall, and I spend many hours to make each one of them. Yeah, it's not a wise idea. So that's how I've just changed the position a little, but I've put it in a way where these marks will not be seen. Hopefully. Okay, so I think I'm going to place this one. I'm going to put them in a way that they do not flow onto this side. So primarily that's the area which I'm going to cover. Yeah? So, okay. Or maybe I should put one here as well. है ना? यहाँ लगाते हैं एक. चलो. Oops. Let me just put the plate first, have a look, and then take a call. Yeah. Nice? Can I talk? So all of these are painted. These are 2 plates that I have, which I had picked up while I was traveling, and one of them is a little chipped also. But yeah, what to do? Use to karni hai, hard-earned money laga hai. Okay. And then nothing goes here. What do you say? Yeah. Okay. So we are finally done. Here. So the placement of artwork is done, and now we shall set up the sideboard. Okay, and now we shall put stuff on the sideboard. So we'll start with the lamp and then let's see. I do have a collection of these urns, and I get a lot of queries from people asking me where did I pick them up from. They are available on a lot of websites, which I will try and find, and if I find them I'll share the link. But I have just collected them randomly, from my travels. One was picked up from Calcutta, I remember that. One I bought from Delhi itself, and others from various places. So not really, I don't really remember, but yeah. This tall, slim one is a little dicey and needs to be placed very carefully so that it doesn't topple. And yeah, so this is to safeguard the tall one. So we are finally done and our wall is ready. I hope you like it as much as I do, and do let me know in the comments if you like it. And thank you so much for watching. To see more such content, please do subscribe, and in case anything from the art pieces interests you, the link is in the description. Thank you.